This tutorial will show you how to find news and current event articles in the Nexis Uni database. Nexis Uni is probably the best source among our databases for news articles. A big advantage of Nexis Uni is that it also offers articles from international news outlets. So if you need to find information on, say, burglary rates in Australia, this would be the database to use. From the library's homepage, library.defiance.edu, click on the Database A to Z tab. In the drop-down menu, select Nexis Uni and click on Go. This is the Nexis Uni homepage. I'm going to click on this to get rid of this box. Let's say you have to do a paper for criminal justice class on stalking, and you decide you want to limit your search to cases in Michigan. So we'll enter stalking in Michigan and click on search. We got 766 hits with that search. If we look at the excerpts from the articles circled here, the first couple seem to be relevant hits. Click on the title to view the full article. Here's the text of the article, and up here at the top is the information on where the article came from originally. These icons at the top left let you print, email, download, or save to Google Drive. If you click on this Export Citation box, you can select the citation style format your professor told you to use. You will probably want to highlight, right-click, copy, and then paste the citation into an email or a Word document so you'll have it later when you work on your reference list for your paper. We'll X out of the citation box and look at the article again. Notice this article was published in 2007. If your professor said your articles in your paper must be less than 10 years old, we couldn't use this one. We'll click here to go back to the results list. We'll limit the search using this timeline box. We can limit the date by clicking and dragging this bar until the date in the first box underneath reaches 2009. Then click OK, and that gets rid of articles published in 2008 or earlier. We can refine the search further by using this Search Within Results box. Let's say you wanted to limit your search to partner stalking, so we'll enter partners in this box and click on the little icon for search. So now what we have left are articles about stalking that mention Michigan that were published in 2009 or later and mention the word partners. We'll click on the Nexis Uni in the upper left corner to return to the home page. Let's say you need to find articles on crime in Panama for your research on a McMaster School project. So we'll enter crime in Panama in the search box and click on search. That got us over 2,800 hits. Notice the first two hits seem to be in Portuguese. If you only read English, you'll want to scroll down and click on the language box. And when you click on English, Nexis Uni will eliminate the non-English articles. Notice the other ways you could narrow a search in this left bar: by type, by geography, and as we saw in the previous example, by date. Another feature Nexis Uni offers is company profiles. We'll go back to the top and click on Nexis Uni to return to the home page. In this guided search box, click on Company Info. And we'll search for Jersey's Game Day Grill. And click on Search. The second listing gives a North Clinton Street address, so it's probably the one here in Defiance. We'll click on that. The profile gives contact information for this business, number of employees, SIC codes, and sales figures. And as before, you can click on this Export Citation box to view the proper way of citing this article in the reference list of your paper. If you have problems or questions, please contact a librarian. Click on the tab for the library's homepage, click on Go To, and Staff Contact. And here's the contact information for individual librarians, plus the library's main desk. Thanks for viewing our tutorial on finding news articles using Nexis Uni database.